Dear students, in our previous video, we studied about Nernst equation, which is applied to the electrodes or electrochemical cells when concentration of the electrolytic solution is not 1 molar, it is different than that. So we derived these three equations. This is the equation number 1 for single electrode. This is the equation for finding EMF of the cell. And when the cell reaction is at equilibrium, we can determine the value of equilibrium constant from that Nernst equation for electrochemical cell. So in this video, we will solve few numerical problems based on these equations. So let us do that. Our first numerical is a zinc rod is dipped in 0.1 m solution of ZnSO4. The salt is 95% dissociated at this dilution at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the electrode potential. What is given to us? E naught Zn2 positive oblique Zn equal to minus 0.76 volt. Means this is the standard reduction potential of zinc electrode when the concentration of electrolyte was 1 molar. Now we have to find the electrode potential of zinc electrode when it is dipped in a solution of ZnSO4 whose concentration is 0.1 molar, but it is not completely ionized. How much it is dissociated? It is 95% dissociated. So let us see how to solve it. So first we will write the equation for zinc electrode, that is Zn2 positive plus 2 electrons give us Zn. It is taking up 2 electrons, means value of N is equal to 2. Clear? And now let us apply Nernst equation. Apply Nernst equation. As it is single electrode, we will apply equation number 1. In place of M, I will write zinc E of Zn2 positive oblique Zn is equal to E naught of Zn2 oblique Zn minus 0.0591 divided by N log 1 upon concentration of Zn2 positive ions. Here we have to find this. Means we have to know these three quantities. Clear? So E naught is given to us, that is E of Zn2 positive oblique Zn, E naught Zn2 positive oblique Zn is equal to minus 0.76 volt. It is given to us. Second quantity is N is equal to 2 because it is taking up 2 electrons. Now what is the concentration of Zn2 positive? That is given 0.1 m. But it is not the effective concentration of ions. It is not completely dissociated. So as it is dissociated, only how much? 95%. Therefore concentration of Zn2 positive ion will be 0.1 into 95 over 100. That will come out to be 0.095 m. So this is the third factor that we wanted to know. N equal to 2. Clear? Zn2 positive oblique Zn, this is the value. N is equal to 2, and what is the concentration of Zn2 positive? That is 0.095. This was the concentration given, but it is not completely ionized, only 95% ionized. So what is the effective concentration of ions? That will be 95% of 0.1. It is 0.095 m. So now the question is clear. We have to only substitute the values. So E will be equal to minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log 1 over 0.095. Clear? So E will be equal to minus 0.76 minus 0.0295, 2 से डिवाइड किया, log I can write 1000 over 95. So E is equal to minus 0.76 minus 0.0295. This is A, this is A, this is B. So log A over B is equal to log A minus log B. I can write it as log 1000 minus log 95. So it is minus 0.76 minus 0.0295 log 1000. 4 digits 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3.0 minus log of 95 1 and 2 digits. So 1 point हम देखेंगे 95 का log under 0. And in my previous videos I have explained log anti-log in detail. So we will see log of 95 under 0. It is 9777. So 9777. Now we can easily solve it. So it will come out to be minus 0.76 minus 0.0295. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं इसमें से, and we get 3.000 minus 1.977, that is 320 1.023. 1.023, and if we solve it, minus 0.76 minus, we can multiply these two. On multiplying I can do the calculation with calculator, but you have to do it manually because in examinations calculators are not allowed. So it is 0.03021, and answer comes out to be 0 minus 0. अगर 2 डिजिट्स तक लेते हैं हम, यहाँ तक ले लेते हैं, तो इट विल बी minus 0.79 volts. So students, this will be the answer of this question. So you have to take care of 4 things. First, value of this, value of this, and value of this. After doing it, we are to calculate this factor in which log is involved. So you have to do practice of these things. Let us do another question. This is calculate the EMF of the cell chromium oblique chromium 3 positive 0.1 m, salt bridge Fe2 positive 0.01 m oblique Fe. This is the standard reduction potential of chromium. This is the standard reduction potential of iron. Clear? So this is the cell. First step is, let us write the cell reaction, that is Cr. This you all know that this is anode, this is cathode. Clear? Right side पे cathode होता है, left पे anode. Cr is changing to Cr3 positive. So Cr3 positive plus 3 electrons. And at cathode, Fe2 positive is changing to Fe. It can do by taking 2 electrons. So what is the overall cell reaction? Now look here. Here it is giving 3 electrons. Iron is taking up 2 electrons. So we have to balance the equation. So whenever we have to balance 3 and 2, what we do? We multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So what we get, the cell reaction, 2 chromium plus 3 Fe2 positive gives 2 chromium 3 positive plus 3 Fe. And how many electrons are being exchanged? N, that is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6 electron lost by chromium and 6 are taken up by iron. So N is equal to 6. And this is anode and this is cathode. Now let us write the Nernst equation for the cell. That is E of the cell is equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log concentration of products divided by concentration of reactants. एंड बार बार मैंने आपको बताया है कि इन कंसनट्रेशंस में वी आर टू टेक ओनली कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ आयंस. कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ सॉलिड दैट इज टेकन इक्वल टू 1. सो हेयर आई राइट द वैल्यूज, देन यू विल कम टू नो. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट वी आर टू फाइंड इन दिस. अगेन 3 थिंग्स we are to determine. One, E naught, second N, and this factor product over reactants. So E naught of the cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Now which is cathode? That is iron. Clear? So what is the value? Minus 0.45 minus. And what is our anode? That is minus 0.75. The answer comes out to be 0.30 volt. So E naught ki value we have found. N we have already determined, it is equal to 6. Now we substitute these values here. So E of the cell is equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log concentration of products. What are the product? Cr3 positive. So we will write Cr3 positive. How many ions? 2. So raised to power 2 divided by concentration of reactant. Reactant में iron के ions हैं Fe2 positive raised to power 3. Clear? जितने ions होंगे concentration will be raised to power that. This you have to remember. If there is 1 no need, then we simply take the concentration, but there is number of ions taking part, the concentration will be raised to the power equal to their stoichiometric coefficients. So E of the cell, अब हम वैल्यू सब्सिट्यूट कर लेंगे. E naught 0.30 volt minus 0.0591, N की वैल्यू 6 है, log chromium ion concentration is 0.1, so it will be 0.1 square divided by iron की 0.01, 0.01 raised to power 3. So E of cell will be equal to 0.30 minus 0.0591 over 6 log. I can write 0.1 into 0.1 divided by 0.01 into 0.01 into 0.01. I am taking it stepwise so that you may not have any confusion. 0 minus 0.0591 over 6 it will be log 1 over 10 to power 2 divided by 1 over 10 to power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E of the cell is equal to 0.30 minus 0.0591 over 6 log 10 to power 4. अगर इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 over 10 to power 2 into 10 to power 6 over 1 is equal to 10 to power 4. It will be equal to 0.30 minus 0.0591 over 6. It will be 4 log 10. And we know log 10 is equal to 1. This you already know. So we get E of the cell is equal to 0.30 minus 0.0591 over 6 into 4. 4 log 10 is 1, so 4. If we solve it 2 and 3, it comes out to be 0.30 minus, अगर इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं इस फैक्टर को, it comes out to be 0.0394 and answer comes out to be, if we just subtract it, it is 0.2606 volt. This will be the answer of the question. So you can see the steps. First we write the cell equation, then find how many electrons are being exchanged. Clear? Then we find E naught. Sometime E naught is given, sometime we are given the values of cathode and anode separately. Then we have to find E naught of cell by taking E naught cathode minus E naught anode. And then by substituting the value of E naught, value of N, we have to solve this quotient factor, concentrated product over reactants, very carefully. ये आप रफ वर्क में अच्छे से सॉल्व करेंगे. Then we put the values and get the answer. Clear? Let us do one more. Calculate equilibrium constant for the reaction Zn plus Cu2 positive gives Cu plus Zn2 positive. Given E naught standard reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76, right? And for copper it is 0.34. Now if you remember, I can show you the formula again for log Kc. What we wrote the formula, log Kc is equal to Ne naught over 0.0591. Clear? Log Kc is equal to N into E naught divided by 0.0591. Clear? Very simple. And now what we are to find? We are to know the value of N. N is equal to 2 because 2 electrons are being exchanged. Zn is changing to Zn2 positive and copper 2 are gaining 2 electrons. So it is what is being number of electron being exchanged, that is 2. And what is E naught? E naught is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Clear? So E naught, which is cathode, which is anode? One which is undergoing oxidation, which is Zn is changing to Zn2 positive. Oxidation हो रही है, that is called anode. And one which is undergoing reduction, that is called cathode. So E naught will be equal to 0.34 minus 0.763. So it will come out to be 1.103. 3 वोल्ट। अब आपके पास n की वैल्यू भी आ गई, आपके पास ई नॉट की वैल्यू भी आ गई, एंड यू नो अदर दिस इज़ द फैक्टर विद विच वी आर टू डिवाइड इट, विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ log Kc. So log Kc is equal to 2 into 1.103 divided by 0.0591. इससे हम डिवाइड करेंगे। इसको आप, मैंने तो कैलकुलेटर से किया है, बट यू आर टू डू इट मैनुअली। डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड करेंगे, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 37.3265. सो दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ log Kc. Now question is how to find Kc. What we do to get the value of Kc, take antilog of both sides, So log, when we take antilog of this, log and antilog cancels, and we get Kc is equal to antilog of 37.3265. Now how to take antilog of this? For this I have already explained that this digit to the left of decimal, they only show the place of decimal. So therefore it becomes 10 raised to power 37 into, we see the antilog of this factor, always antilog of this factor 0.3265. कैसे देखेंगे इसको? हम 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. वी विल सी द एंटीलॉग ऑफ 0.32 इन द 6th कॉलम, राइट, 0.32 इन द 6th कॉलम, एंड मीन डिफरेंस वाले ब्लॉक में जाके 5 के अंडर जो डिफरेंस होगा उसको ऐड कर देंगे. ये हमारा एंटीलॉग टेबल होता है. ये मैंने पहले भी दिखा चुकी हूँ आपको. ये 0.32 का हम 6th कॉलम में देखेंगे. क्लियर? इट इज़ 2118 यहाँ पे, और इसी लाइन में मीन डिफरेंस वाले ब्लॉक में 5th में आ जाएंगे ये 2. सो 2118 प्लस 2, it will be it will become 2120, because we have seen 2118 plus 2, so it will be 02120. So we put the decimal after one digit, so answer will be 2.120 into 10 to power 37. This will be the value of equilibrium constant. So you will go through all these numericals and try to solve few more problems based on this, just for the practice. Thank you for watching.